Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. And today I'll be making some vegetable fried rice. Yes, some fried rice, Vibes fam. And here I'm just showing you guys how I cut up the sweet pepper. So yes, there is somebody who is going to be interested in knowing like, oh, how do you cut those, what's the size or how you cut them, right? So this part is really for those people. But guess what, Vibes fam, watch all of the video, just watch the video, man. So yes, this is my green sweet pepper, and now I'm showing you guys how I dice my carrots. So in total I need like 1 cup carrot, right? So it's not only what you see me cutting here that I used, I added more, but as I said, I just wanted to show you guys how I got my carrot to the size and to the look that I have it. So, and yes, peel the carrot first, of course, and then you wash it off, right? So yeah, Vibes, go ahead and cut, dice, chop, and a chop. So here is my rice. I wanted to show you guys like, how it look. So I didn't cook it right through. Yes, it cooked right through, as in I didn't cook it soft. Don't cook the rice too soft, because remember, you're still going to cook it again, right? So yes, here are my lovely, beautiful, colorful, absolutely gorgeous ingredients that I will be using. Take them in, look at them, and pre my rice again, my beautiful rice. By the way, jasmine rice, basmati rice, yes, that rice. So yeah, Vibes, here I'm adding 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of oil, and then I'm adding 1 large onion that I chopped up, right? So Vibes, please do not add a lot of oil to the pot. Nobody need a oily fried rice, right? So fry this until it's translucent, so just about a minute or two. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and add 2.5 tablespoon minced garlic and 1/2 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon minced ginger. So take that in. I know it sounds a lot. I'm going to put everything in the description box. Let that fry up for another minute, and then we're going to add our broccoli. So this is 1/2 cup of broccoli. Now, Vibes, I'm adding the broccoli first because, of course, broccoli, it's tough. It's going to take a little minute to cook, right? Everything else can cook fast, so yeah, add the broccoli first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add the carrots, because that is a bit hard too. Now, Vibes, guess what? You don't have to add broccoli if you don't like broccoli. That is fine. As I say all the time, it's food. You need to love it. You need to love how it is. Add what you like. So if it's mushroom you like, add some mushroom. Go ahead. So here I added 1/2 cup red bell pepper, 1/2 cup yellow red bell pepper, 1/2 cup green bell pepper, and 1/2 cup orange bell pepper, right? And 1/2 cup scallion or green onion, right? And then you go ahead and you mix those together, mix it up nice and mix it up right. Just get everything combined so nicely, so beautiful, right? So here I'm adding 2 teaspoons sesame oil. So go ahead and mix that in, and Vibes, the sesame oil gives it a nice taste, but don't overdo the sesame oil, please do not, right? And now I'm going in with 4.5 cups. So you can use 4 cups of rice if you want. But yeah, 4.5 cups of rice. And VYBZ FAM, you want to take the time and combine that in. Get everything all mixed up together. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, because trust me, you're going to be mixing some more, because you know you're going to be adding other stuff, so you're still going to be mixing. But yeah, VYBZ FAM, just try to combine them, you know, together as good as you can. Beautiful. So here I added 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, right? And then of course, as I said, enough mixing is taking place. So you want to go ahead and mix that in, right? Try to get all of the rice to be brown. It doesn't have to be. Listen, you just need this food to taste good. But VYBZ FAM, remember I was telling you, that's why I was saying do not add a lot of oil, because you're going to add some sesame oil. Then you have some soy sauce to add. By the way, VYBZ FAM, you have it on high heat, right? Because you don't need everything to be soft and soggy. So medium to high flames, because we're just dashing in and just mixing up and mixing up. It's kind of going very fast. Yeah, kind of going very fast. So you just want to make sure your fire not low, because you don't need anything to be springing no water, no soggy fried rice. No, we do not want that. So go ahead and just combine. Go ahead and mix. So here I added what is it? Oh my goodness, I'm sorry, VYBZ FAM. I added 1/2 cup green peas, right? The green peas. Oh, and the spring onion, I added the rest of it. So what I did, I left some of the scallion. Just leave it one side. I didn't add it all at once, because I want to make sure that that the pop of green is there, just in case, you know. So I left some of it. You don't have to do it that way. I left some of it by the wayside and then add it later, right? But of course, this thing didn't have the desired color, the color that I'm looking for. So I added 1 more tablespoon of soy sauce, and go ahead and try to combine. Now, VYBZ FAM, the color of your fried rice depends on how you like it. If you want it darker, go ahead and add another tablespoon. That is fine. Or add until you get what you want. It is okay, right? We do not need to fight, because I know you're going to have somebody like, no, the fried rice didn't. Oh, that looks so white. No, it's okay. Cook your food how you like your food. We need to love our food. Right? So yeah, go ahead, VYBZ FAM. And I added a little more salt, because I tasted it and it wasn't too, you know, it needed just a little bit more salt. So yeah, go ahead and mix it up. Look at it, VYBZ FAM. Combine and mix and mix, and make sure it's good and good. Make sure it's getting to the color that you like. This is fine for me. Look at that beautifulness. Just beautiful. All them veggies, VYBZ FAM. Shell. Sell off. So here I'm just showing you guys how I'm dishing out my fried rice and cook steam. Steamy! Steamy is stepping out so strong. You know, Steamy always trying to give me a facial, and I do not mind a free facial. Me, no. Take it as I get it. So yeah, VYBZ FAM, I'm dishing it out, and VYBZ FAM, it smells so good. Please do not skip adding the ginger. You need the ginger. It make it sell off. Try to get the sesame oil. It make it sell off too. Just beautiful. Just amazing. As I said, don't leave out the ginger. Right? And VYBZ FAM, here we have it. Wanna run come here, chuck through the window, and chuck up from under the under the floor. Wherever you can come from, run come right here. So come and check out, listen, check out this vegetable fried rice. Sell all the way off. Me I tell you, say it nice. Me nah ask you twice. Me I tell you. Me I tell you, say this nice. Try it and make me know, but me I tell you say it nice. Me I tell you say you are gonna love this. Nice, subtle, so good vibes, Sam. Just so delicious. So thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Please go ahead and follow me over on Instagram and on Facebook. Thank you so much. God bless you.